All right, those were the top headlines that we are tracking for you at this hour. And let's get started with all the stories. And now, in a controversial move, authorities in Maharashtra have made it mandatory for auto rickshaw and taxi drivers to be proficient in Marathi. A large-scale verification drive targeting auto rickshaw and taxi drivers has been launched in Mira Bhayandar, with authorities checking permits and domicile certificates while also rolling out a mandatory Marathi language test. Drivers are required to show proficiency in reading, writing and speaking Marathi. Officials say the rule could soon be extended across the state. The government says decision aims to improve passenger communication and ensure stricter compliance with permit norms. Around 12,000 auto and taxi drivers are reportedly undergoing this phased review, in which they are asked to write short passages in Marathi as part of the test. And those who fail may face suspension of their licenses and permits. This verification will continue till 1st of May, which is also observed as Maharashtra Day, following which RTO will submit the report. And for more on this, our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report. Take a look.
The Maharashtra government has made mandatory for all the auto as well as taxi drivers to know Marathi to get the permits here in the state. So this move might impact in the way you have permits in the state of Maharashtra. Firstly, this is only on a pilot basis and has started from a very small city like Mira Bhayandar. It's a region which is very close to Mumbai, where under 12,000 auto drivers are already under review. So they will have to go through a verification process where the driver should know basic details of Marathi language, like he should be able to communicate freely, he should be able to read as well as talk. So this is something which the Maharashtra government has made it mandatory. This is on a pilot basis, and if this gets approved after the initial report, then this may be expanded across the state of Maharashtra. But there are, of course, certain rules. This is not only applicable for new drivers, but this also will be applicable for the existing drivers. They will also have to go through this entire verification process. And if they fail this verification test, then they might have the risk of cancelling the permits or losing up their permits permanently. This is Disha reporting here for Beyond from Mumbai.